hunting weaver birds 12 feet above her. Misty's retractable claws and strong leg muscles make tree climbing a breeze. But from up here, the nest is an impenetrable fortress. The walls are 2 inches thick and lined with razor-sharp sticks. It's the perfect protection from predators. With the entrance holes hidden below, the only way into the nest is from underneath. And our princess isn't giving up. Misty needs as much leg power as possible. Although hitting a moving target takes more than just power. But Misty has that covered as well. She has the body of an Olympic gymnast. So she can even adjust her movements in midair.